Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, welcome back. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. All right, this morning I want to give you this update about what is going on between Nigerian army and bandit. Bandit is just a kind of stage name for terrorists. So they are the same. There's nothing like bandit. These are terrorists, well-known terrorists, sponsored and financed by those that are claiming they are fighting against them. But the thing is this: I'm not here to mock anybody, no, because I've said it many times. Killing of people is something that I don't like. Be you who. It doesn't matter where they're killed. It doesn't matter who killed each other. But unaliving people is not good. But if it happen to be terrorists, that one I don't have any issue. Yeah, because they are out to kill other people. We have seen what is going on about the killing of Christians, although some northern elite, like politicians and all that, someone like Ishe Osani, few weeks ago, his tweet was trending, where he was trying to prove that no, Christians are not being targeted. It's a product to everybody. But I have not seen any imam being fired or mass burial of Muslims. I've not seen, there's no Muslim dominated community that are now in IDP camp. This video is not about Muslim or Christian, but I just want to establish something that many of them know what they're doing, they understand what they're doing, they're just doing it because they are Muslim, you know that kind of thing. They are Muslim and you are not, so whatever they say must stand. So there's some clips that I would like to play so that you understand what we are talking about. Because without playing them, you may not understand it. So, and this report, credit to the source. These are brother here who always give update about how the engagement is going between Nigerian army and terrorists. They always tell you bandit. So credit to him. So he made this post where he talked about how Nigerian army unalive the terrorists that have come to buy people and all that. Some people love that. Some people were like, okay, that's good, It's good to hear at least once in a million, once in a million time, because we don't hear that often. News back to back is always terrorists invaded camp. They on alive with Nigerian army. They ambush Nigerian army. They do this, and we're like, okay, this thing they're doing to Nigerian army, is it only in the north? Nigerian army have strength in the other part of Nigeria, but in the north, they seem to be very stable. Okay, is it normal? No, it's not normal. But they will not tell you that. So I don't want to waste much time. I can't just delay you this video. I don't want to keep you waiting. But before we play it, please like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. This is not to mock anybody. Don't get it twisted. This is just to give you update for you to see why people are clamoring for freedom and to break out from Nigeria. Because the sabotage is too much. The sabotage is too much. That is why there's nothing like arresting anybody in the north. They don't trace how bandits and terrorists, I don't want to use the word bandit, how terrorists, how they make their money, the source of income, who is financing them, no interrogation, no investigation, nothing, no intelligent report, nothing whatsoever. They're just moving as if it is a normal thing. It is a normal thing. Nobody want to talk about it. Nobody want to care about it. And as day goes by, we are seeing evidence that truly Nigeria has been Islamized or Islamized, that way they call that. You know what I'm talking about? This because there's a video, trending video of one Igbo man who happened to be a shop owner in Abuja. I think I'm gonna play that video later because we're coming live today. If I have chance, I will talk about that video. They have Sharia law, Sharia court in Abuja as we speak. Sharia court in Abuja. I'm not talking about in N9jeria. I'm not talking about in Zamfara. In Abuja, the FCT, Federal Capital Territory, they have Sharia court already in Abuja. And not they are building or renovating. It is working. Unbelievable. I saw that yesterday. I was like, wow. So it's no longer they want to Islamize Nigeria. Not that it's not about they want to Islamize Nigeria. Islamizing Nigeria is no longer a theory. It is now in a practical terms. In a practical terms, is there before you can see it. So let's go there. Let me bring this video for you. Just watch and tell me what.
So early this morning will be the 23rd of October 2025. This morning will still be Thursday, right? The Nigerian army early this morning around 3 a.m. we are attacked this morning in Katarko. Katarko is near Damaturu, like Yobe State. I think it's 7 kilometers away from Damaturu. That's Katarko. So the Nigerian army were attacked this morning in Katarko. These guys came, they saw, but they did not conquer. So this ones I go say, I go clap for the Nigerian army this time around. Not every time I will come here they talk bad news for them. Like they really did well this time around. Bro, these guys came in their number. They came, they saw, but they did not conquer. The Nigerian army neutralized them from every corner, from up, down, center, but everywhere. In fact, I know if you show the video for here because of Facebook policy. You know, understand? Maybe you can't strike my video, but I go drop my Telegram link for my comment section so that you can go there and watch what the Nigerian army did. Like they really did well this time around. They finished these guys, so I think they are close to 50 or 50. They finished them. They really bro. Kudos to Nigerian army. Yeah, kudos to honor. Maybe every time we come here, they bring bad news from our head. At least more they talk good one too. Now try for this one, eh? God really bless you now. May God bless, protect, and guide you guys. You know, understand? For this one I do yesterday, I say, may God bless you now. So if you want to watch the video of this Katarko thing, this Katarko attack on the Nigerian army early this morning, go to my Telegram. The link in my comment section and see for yourself, so that you come here too and leave prayers for the Nigerian army. You know, these guys, they try, you wanna forget that they try. That's why the fact say the federal government of bandits, they play with their lives, but them they try. So God bless you now. Go to my comment section, click the link.
Now you can see, you can hear what the guy said, right? You can see you can see the updates. The thing is this: in as much as we disagree on many things,
go to my Telegram and watch for yourself.
Excuse me. In as much as we disagree on many things about Nigerian as a country, okay, because I don't believe it's workable. Not because I hate Northerners, not because I hate Westerners, Southwest. No.
See you guys.
But we have to be real. Nigerian army is not only the problem of the country. You understand? The tribalism, the corruption, the level of bloodshed, it cannot compare. So most of these people telling you that it's workable and all that, they're saying it because out of fear. That is just a fact. They are afraid of what may become of them, or what may befall them if they say something like that. The country has been Islamized. You cannot take it away. It's no longer by like they want to. It is not in practical terms, like I said earlier. This news you may say, okay, so they can actually go after bandits or terrorists. You hear one good news and you now hear another 4 or 5 different bad news. What does that tell you? It goes to show that the one they did that you make that this guy saying I'm clapping now could be a mistake. Maybe the people that always instruct them not to do anything forgot to update them that if anything happened, please stay back. Something must have happened because this is not normal news. No, it's not the news that we used to hear. Do you understand? It's not the news that you used to hear. And then the latest is this one. Just hear another one because listen.
So yesterday, being the 21st of October 2025, in the evening, yesterday, they don't go tell them what I go tell them.
Okay.
Bandits blocked Fafawa Road for Kano State. Almighty Kano. Bandits blocked Fafawa Road in the evening of yesterday. The 21st of October 2025. I know they come here talk fake news. Legit. They blocked the road. Fafawa Road is in a Shanono local government area of Kano State.
Okay.
Where those police people, those useless police, where they got me for Abuja, where they unalive this man here. They unalive this man. This man here, they unalived him. Go and check. Go and check. That same yesterday, they still blocked Turawa Road in Katsina State. They unalived 2 people. Yesterday, 21st of October 2025. Turawa is in a Musawa local government area of Katsina State. I'm not telling you not to tell person. I they tell you fact. If I they tell you, I'm gonna give you the place, the local government and the area when the thing they happen. Now it happen. I'm telling you, this one happened yesterday. So where those useless police, where the useless police, where tear gas us yesterday, where tear gas me and other protesters for just shouting free Nnamdi Kanu, free Nnamdi Kanu, with our placard and nothing again. Why where we are there? Where we are there yesterday, where these things they happen. 2 persons lost their life in Katsina State. This one here lost his life in Kano State. You see now, now me and Una for this country. Me and Una. I don't go leave any stone unturned. I don't tell you me no tell person. I don't tell you not to. I tell you to go and tell people that me, will be English Alhaji say yesterday evening for Kano State. They block road. They unalive this man here. This man, they unalived him yesterday evening. Shanono local government area of Kano State. Now they tell you, go and check. I don't go leave any stone unturned. I could bring everything with the hidden in the public. When they watch and see. When they don't touch me for tail. You know the story. If they hide, I will bring her out. If they hide them, me, they bring her out. I can't live here without telling the federal government of bandits to forsake full time. Forsake.
You hear the part, right? You hear the other. This is what you see when you undermine what you're supposed to do and choose to play around. Do you understand? So you cannot tell me because some of them will be we are going after bandit. No, like something must have happened. It's not normal. Then after what happened? Another news. So to you, do you think that the way Nigeria is now that is workable or not? Like ask yourself this question. Because even the soldiers, once they buy soldiers or soldiers, once the soldiers is no more, they don't even talk about him. They try everything. Instead of them to have even 1 minute silence. They don't observe the death of soldiers anymore. They will secretly just go and bring some of them. They bury them in shallow grave. Unless if it happened to maybe a top rank officer, they will bring flower and do this for photo shoot and that. Nothing more, nothing serious. No compensation, nothing serious, nothing whatsoever. Ask the non-amina, they will tell you. Please. Tell me what you think about it. Do you have different opinion? Let us know on the comment section. I don't want to say much. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, like the video, and share it on many platforms of your choice because you get why. Bye bye for now.